Good morning students. Welcome back to SST class of 7. In our previous video, we were studying chapter number 7 of geography, that was water and its circulation. Okay. So in our previous video, we had completed the chapter, and in today's video, we will be discussing the exercises and question answer of the chapter. Children, as you all know that it is our activity based chapter. So I will not be explaining in very detail. I will be explaining the exercises and discussing the question answers. Rest part you have to do by yourself. Okay. So this is the last chapter of our syllabus. After that we will be doing the revision of the periodic test 1 and term 1 chapters, because from next month your term 1 is going to start. Okay. So children, let's get started. So before starting the exercise discussion, let's take a quick recap of the chapter. So the chapter was about the water. We all know that water is important for everyone, whether plants, animals or human beings. Okay, we know that 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water and 29% is covered with land. Okay, then in this 71%, only 3%, that is 2.6% is fresh water, and in this also only 1% is fresh water which is readily used, while other is in the form of snow, glaciers and other, and most of the water is saline, जो कि ocean में पाया जाता है, खारा है. Then let's look about the chapter. The chapter is about the water and its circulation. इस chapter में हम water के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और उसका circulation कैसे वो circulate होता है हमारे atmosphere में. In this chapter, we will learn about the distribution of water bodies. We will learn about the distribution of water bodies, how water bodies like pond, ocean, sea, etc. are distributed और उनका कितना percentage है. Then water cycle, how water cycle takes place in the atmosphere. This we have studied in science also and in our junior classes also. Now salinity of ocean. What do you mean by the word salinity? Salinity is the amount of salt present in the water. Okay, it is 35 gram per 1000 gram of water. Then importance of ocean. Ocean हमारे लिए क्यों important है? Then circulation of ocean water, कैसे ocean water circulate होता है, and the types of ocean movements. हमने पढ़ा था there are 3 types of ocean movements: waves, tides and ocean currents. So this is about the chapter. So children, first of all you have to put the date, then write the number and name of the chapter, then about the chapter. Okay. Now key terms. Learn and write all the key terms given on page number 154. So children, when you will open the chapter, you will see that at the starting of the chapter key terms are given. So you have to learn it and write it. Okay, in a very neat and clean handwriting, क्योंकि जब तक आपको key terms clear नहीं होगा, you won't be able to understand the chapter. So you have to write as well as learn the key terms of the chapter given on page number 154. Okay. Now come to the exercise discussion. Children, open page number 159. Okay. The first question is A, that is multiple choice questions. First one, the total amount of water present on the surface of the earth is option A 29%, option B 97% and option C, that is 71%. So the right answer is, children, 71%. Okay. Then question number 2, waves are caused by the action of option A winds, option B water and option C, that is fossil fuels. So the right answer is winds. Okay. Now let's proceed to our next section, that is fill in the blanks. First one, the process of change of water from one form to another is called water cycle. Okay. Then question 2, in sea the rise in water level is called high tide and the fall in water level is called low tide. Okay. Then third one, during full moon tides are highest. These tides are called dash tides. So the answer is spring tides. Okay. Then fourth one, dense fog is formed when dash and dash currents meet. So the answer is warm and cold currents meet. Okay. Now question number C, write T for true and F for the false statements. First one, water cycle is a continuous process. The right answer is true. Second, tsunami is caused by earthquake and volcanic eruptions. The right answer is true. Then third, the tides are highest in its first and last quarters. The answer is false. Right answer is the tides are lowest in its first and last quarters. Okay. Then fourth one, the Grand Banks near Newfoundland, North America is a rich fishing bank. So the right answer is true. Now question number A, that is multiple choice questions. Tick the correct options. Question 1. What are the salts present in ocean water? Option A, sodium chloride. Option B, potassium chloride. And option C, both A and B. So the right answer is both A and B. Okay. Then question number 2. Ocean currents flowing from polar areas towards the equator are called dash currents. Option A, cold. Option B, warm. And option C, drift. So the right answer is cold currents. Okay. So children, this exercises you have to do in the book with pencil. Don't use pen. आपको pen नहीं use करना है. You have to put the date. आपको date डालनी है. Then you have to do the exercises in the book. This is your homework. Now let's discuss the question answer of the chapter. Now question B, that is short answer questions. First one, describe the distribution of water bodies. तो इसमें water bodies का distribution बताना है. You will get this answer on page number 154 under the heading of distribution of water bodies. So beta, if you want to answer the questions of the chapter, so you have to read the chapter thoroughly, go through the chapter and see the video properly. Okay. Then question 2, write a short note on the ocean currents. For this answer, you have to go on the heading ocean currents on page number 157. Then question 3, what are tides? Write 2 advantages of tides. So you will get this answer on page number 156 and 157 under the heading of tides and advantages of tides. Okay. Now question 4, how does ocean current affect the climatic and economic activities of an area? So this answer you will be getting the effect of ocean currents heading on page number 158. Okay. Now question C, that is long answer questions. You have to do by yourself. Okay. First one, write a short note on salinity of the oceans and reason for the variation in salinity levels. It is given on page number 155 under the heading of salinity of oceans. Okay. Now question number 2, discuss the importance of oceans. This answer you will be getting on page number 155 under the heading of importance of oceans. Okay. Now question number 3, distinguish between waves and tides. This answer you will be getting on page number 156 under the heading of waves and tides. Now question 4, describe the water cycle. This answer you will get on page number 154 under the heading of water cycle. Okay. Now question number D, that is higher order thinking skill questions. That also you have to do by yourself. The first question is, tsunami creates a huge destruction of human life and property. What are the measures which could be taken to avoid such destruction in future? So you have to write the answer by yourself, and if you are not getting, take the help of Google and try to frame the answers by yourself. And then also if you are not able to do that, you are free to ask me. Okay. Then question number 2, ocean waves play a very important role in the movement of ocean water. What will happen if the waves do not occur anymore? तो इसमें आपको क्या करना है कि ओशियन के जो वेव्स होते हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं इन द मूवमेंट ऑफ ओशियन वाटर. तो अगर वेव्स ही नहीं होंगे तो व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस यू हैव टू टेल. ओके, सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द चैप्टर. This question answers you have to write in your homework copy in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay, so children, I hope you all have understood the chapter very well. Still, if you are having any doubt, you are free to ask me anytime. Okay, so do your homework. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.